Welcome to our Trigno Link series. In this video, we will cover how to use your VO2 Master Analyzer with Trigno Link. This video will highlight the hardware and software requirements to use the VO2 Master Analyzer with Trigno Link and Trigno Discover. For a more in-depth tutorial on how to use Trigno Link or Trigno Discover, please watch our Getting Started videos. The links for these videos can be found in the description below. This section will cover the hardware and software requirements for your VO2 Master. Ensure your Trigno base station or Trigno Lite is connected to your PC. Next, connect your Trigno Link to the PC with the supplied USB cable. Open Trigno Discover. Once opened, pair an Avanti-style sensor to Discover and open the Trigno Link tab. You are now ready to pair your VO2 Master. To get started, you will need a VO2 Master Analyzer, Hans Rudolph mask and headgear, a single-use filter, resting, medium and large user pieces with respective locking nuts, a AAA battery. This section will cover the process of connecting your VO2 Master to Discover. First, insert a AAA battery, a single-use filter, and lock the user piece in with a locking nut. Turn the device on by holding the power button for a few seconds. Leave it still until the LED changes from dark blue to cyan, indicating the VO2 Master is 0 calibrated. This can take about 10 to 45 seconds. Once done, navigate to the Trigno Link tab and select Scan for Sensors. Once in the Trigno Link Scan Settings window, select VO2 Master and select Start Scan. Go to the VO2 Sensor Configuration tab and select Update Device Configuration. Enter your desired calibration volume, mask size, vent size, and the athlete's weight. The calibration volume is dependent on the user piece selected and intended use. For more information, please refer to the VO2 Master Analyzer product manual, which is included in the video description below. This section will demonstrate the two techniques to calibrate your VO2 Master: active calibration and passive calibration. We will begin with active calibration. To perform an active calibration, you will need a 3-liter calibration syringe, a calibration syringe adapter, a calibration syringe adapter silicone seal, a 30-centimeter flexible tube. Set the calibration syringe to your desired calibration volume by using the provided Allen key. This may vary depending on which user piece you are using. For more information, please go to the VO2 Master Product Manual. Place the silicone seal around the user piece and attach the calibration syringe adapter. Connect the VO2 Master Analyzer with the calibration syringe and the 30-centimeter flexible tube. Next, select Preview Signals. Begin pumping the calibration syringe until the calibration progress bar appears. The LED on the VO2 Master will pulse green and blue, indicating inhalation and exhalation. Once the progress bar reaches 100%, your VO2 Master is calibrated. Unlock the VO2 Master from the syringe and remove the silicone seal. Attach the Hans-Rudolph mask and lock it in place with a locking nut. An alternative technique to perform a calibration is the passive calibration method. Using the Hans-Rudolph mask and headgear, place the VO2 Master on a participant. Select Preview Signal. The activity used to passively calibrate the VO2 Master will depend on the user piece selected. Begin breathing until the calibration bar appears. Once the progress bar has been completed, you are ready to collect data. To begin data collection, select Start Collection. Here, above your EMG data, you will find all the data coming in from your Trigno Link. During data collection, you can close the large number display to hide the data from your participant by selecting Close. You can open this again by selecting Open. You can also pop out the large number display to move on to another window. To get it back, select here. You can end the data collection session by selecting the Stop button. If you would like to learn about how you can review and export your data in Trigno Discover, please watch our Trigno Link Getting Started video. For additional information and assistance, please visit Delsis.com/support. And be sure to connect with us on our socials.